Welcome to Amorphous, exporter and supplier of commercial LED lights in India and around the world. Our products ranges from high bay lights, flood lights, street lights, and flameproof lights. Let's have a look at our products. LED high bay lights. Multi-LED high bay lights. Premium flood lights. Floodlights without optics. Multi-LED floodlights. Premium street lights. Multi-LED street lights. Flameproof bulk headlights. Flameproof floodlights. Flameproof room lights. Weatherproof lights. Call us on 904-944-4208 or write us at info@amorphousindia.com. For more information visit us at www.amorphousindia.com.